G'day guys, Donny's Hot Tip here, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. Okay, today we're polishing up this table. So you don't need to go and spend expensive stuff, you just need to buy this cheap polish here. It works amazing, as I'll show you. So what you got to do is you got to shake it up. Now you want to give it a good shake to mix all that stuff together, alright? Shake it like so. And you pop the cap off. Now there's a little dot here, you got to line this bad boy up, so you line him up. Alright, now what you do, it's quite simple and very easy. You just spray it on. You want to be about 15 centimetres away. So we just spray that on, like so. And all you got to do is just rub it in. Now I like to go around in circles like that. And it just comes up, gets through all those beautiful watermarks. And just cleans it up. As you can see, look how beautiful that's come up already. I haven't done a lot, and then that's just come up there very nicely. As you can see the difference already. I'll just bring you guys down, just have a bit of a look so you can definitely see the difference already. And that's it guys. So what you do, you just, as you go, you keep going along, so you spray again, another layer, like so, and then we just come up here and just wipe that in. Alright, keep doing your circles and go around and around and around, and that's how you polish your table up guys. Okay guys, that was Donny's Hot Tip, and see you on the next one.